Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to create an aging report with the help of if logical functions in Excel. In this list, we have some customers, their check amount and check date is with us. Our objective is like this. How many check I can encash within 30 days? The check amounts should be displayed in the G column. How many check I can deposit in the bank within 60 days, but after 31 to 60 days, that check amounts I want to display in the H column. Like that in the I column, I want to display how many checks I can encash within 61 to 90 days. For doing these calculations, first we are going to write a today's function in the E column so that I will find the number of days. Then we will calculate for each column. So in this E2 cell, we are going to write a function equals to today bracket open bracket close enter. So this function will give you current date. If you open this workbook tomorrow, it will show you tomorrow's date. So I'm going to copy the formula now. I click in E2 cell, keeping the mouse pointer in the right bottom corner and dragging up to E16. Now to calculate within how many days you can deposit the first check, we are going to write a formula in the F2 cell. I write equal to your check date is in D2, so D2 minus your current date is in E2. D2 minus E2 will give you 5 days. That means after 5 days, around the 5th day, you can deposit this first check. Now I'm going to copy this formula. Now we want to show how many checks I can deposit within 30 days. That means including 30, I want to display in the G column. So we click inside the G2 cell. We are going to use our formulas tab, logical function, if. We are going to check F2 less than or equal to 30. So F2 less than or equal to 30. Why we write F2 is F2 shows your days actually. So F2 less than or equal to 30. I want to display the check amount. The check amount is in a C2. If F2, that means your days are not less than 30. I don't want to show the check amount. So we are going to write here in water commas so that it will not display you any value. Now I click OK. Then I copy the formula from G2 up to G16 so that we can see only 2 check amounts are coming in the G column. That means 2 checks I can deposit within 30 days. Now for doing 31 to 60, that means how many checks I can deposit after 1 month but before 2 months, 31 to 60 days. So I click inside my H2. We use the same formulas, logical, if. Here there is a difference because you have to check those check dates, they are coming after 30 days but before 60. So two conditions are there. Since we have two conditions, we are going to use and bracket open. Days are available in F2. F2 greater than 30. That is your one condition. After 1 month, comma. Before 2 months means, again I write my F2. F2 is your days. F2 less than equal to 60. Bracket close. So when you calculate for 61 to 90, you will write here F2 greater than 60, comma, F2 less than or equal to 90. When you write this in the J2, you will write F2 greater than 90, F2 less than or equal to 120. Now, I want to take my check amount that is in C2. Below we will use again to double quotes. Click OK. I'm copying this formula so that you can see the 75,000 is coming because it is above 30 days but below 60 days. Like that you can continue for 61 to 90 days, same formula. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.